Good evening, my friends. As you can see, I'm back in my own car. Oh, that feels good. Oh, I missed this. I missed my old Skoda. It's really, and it's running good now, and no bad sounds or anything. It's just smooth. So I think I'm happy about the result. And braking, crazy. It's like, whoa, the brake's never been this good before. Everything just smooth. So yeah, I'm happy. This is just what I needed today. It's been a stressful day, so you know. So it's good that the result was worth it, and I really think it was. It is a lot of money, 15,000. You know, it's wow. As I calculated, around $2,500. It is a lot of money, but well. One of my friends asked me if it was worth it, if it wasn't better to sell the car and buy another one instead of fixing it. But I could buy another one and risk to have the same problems, you know. I don't know much about cars really, and I feel I was lucky when I bought this one because there's no rust, and you know. So well, I think it was worth it. So but anyway, yeah, it was a long drive today. Drove all the way to Colombo, and worked all day from 9 o'clock till, well, basically till 5 o'clock. And then drove back, got my car, and now I'm just going to find a boondocking spot because I start work early, very early tomorrow, maybe like 6 o'clock or something. So yeah, I need a quiet place. I've been boondocking outside the workshop for 2 days. I want some. Well, it wasn't too bad outside. It was nice and dark, but it was well, it is an industrial area and not exactly a nice place, you know. But anyway, just my usual daily vlog update here, just to let you know. But yeah, it's really nice to be back in my own car. That Peugeot, it's a French car. What a piece of garbage. I'm sorry, but really, oh, I dislike that one. It was small and you had to steer constantly, you know, and it was all over the road, and it was not very comfortable, and it was very easy to feel the small engine, you know, and it was like just, yeah, not comfortable at all. It's not like I want a big car with a big engine or anything like that, but you know, it's nice. Just the size kind of makes it more stable, or how to say, you know. Anyway, I'm babbling. I hope you had a great day. You guys take care, and remember, life is good. Bye bye.